What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit, and we back with another video. Listen, we are in part 2 of this restoration, and today we are going to try to get this road glide started. I'm bringing this road glide back to life piece by piece. If you haven't seen part 1, pause this and go watch it. Then come back, baby, because it's QueenSit. We finna get it started. Let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
So that generator's from my van. And hopefully this one will get the job done.
Hey, I need to let y'all know that she not just having me out here working. She taking care of her brother.
Yeah!
Alright.
How is it?
Delicious. Stella.
This is not sponsored.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Uh-oh. We didn't get that at first.
Let's go! Oh. It's like I get hype and then I go down. Oh, by the way, this saddlebag was horrible. This saddlebag was fine because I sealed it correctly. Dang.
Enough. Oh, maybe it wasn't enough. Look at that. You can't see nothing in there.
Alright, y'all. Look like I might gotta go back to the gas station. Alright, y'all. I'm getting ready to jump start. I don't even know what it's called. We're finna blow dry. The leaf blower.
Alright, so, yeah. Push that real quick. One more time.
Sorry. Oh, no.
A little harder.
Oop.
There we go. Now, almost.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wait, I'm scared. What if something comes out? Okay, this is kind of gross. T-Mac is in for the long haul. We've been here for 3 hours and 30 minutes. Now, the bike is looking better. Update. Bing, 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 bing. And we got spider webs off. I used the leaf blower. And got a lot of dust, spider webs, stuff like that off. And now all we have left is to charge the battery. We still need to get the bike going. Alright, so we put more gas in there. I'm thinking we need to charge it for a little bit because the battery is just dead. I haven't been on it in like a year. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. We're gonna get the cameras out. We're gonna vlog us riding. So T-Mac said he's still in here. He ain't gonna ditch me because I had him doing all this work today. So stay tuned, y'all. Subscribe if you're new here, because we finna hit the road. And who knows? We might do some road trips or something. I don't know. I gotta ask. After that, wash the bike. Quick update. I broke my keychain. Today has been a day, y'all. But you know what? I will say, we kept it positive. Like, I'm gonna be positive, but I'm surprised you stay positive. Why were you so positive? You wanna give anybody advice? When life comes at you hard, what advice can you give someone? Because today you were just chilling with all of this stuff we had to do.
Well, first of all, I like doing this, number one. Number two, I told you earlier, I got somebody in my circle that would do the same thing for me without a problem. So, you know, paying it forward, I guess.
Yeah.
We gotta check the tire pressure, right? If you don't have one, get yourself an air pump, right? Where you can check your tire pressure on your own, and it'll fill it to where it needs to be filled. All right, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Because she got this bike like this, I gotta get on my back
It's good for you.
and reach under here, take off the cap, And then that goes on it. So I don't know if you can read that, but that says 31. We want to get it up to 39. So we just push the air button. And when it gets to 39, it'll shut off. Shut off by itself.
So you told it to stop at 39.
Yes.
And boom. Now we're ready to ride. Do I have to get more air when I get on the bike?
Well, the people your people are going to tell you how much air you should have in this back tire. I think 39 is okay, but it may be a little bit more.
All right, this is T-Mac's bike. What kind of speakers you got?
There's cicadas in the front.
Cicadas.
In the back. I forgot what those.
His bike is called Black Adam. Alright, y'all. We plug some up.
Yeah, that's saying full.
And see if they can test it real quick.
How we doing today?
Hey, how are you?
Trying to learn things too, boss.
In other words, I'm being you trying to say get out the video.
Nah, you good. You know,
what you saying,
hey,
man?
so we gonna turn it. It's gonna be a repair shop, a restaurant, and at night it's gonna be a comedian club.
There we go. Let's do it.
My cousin Jesse Taylor. You know that?
Who?
Jesse Taylor.
Is he? Oh wow, it's a small world, man.
Yeah, I don't like to judge people, tell people I know him like that.
Oh, is it okay if YouTube know? I can cut it.
Yes, YouTube is okay.
I was like, oh, I don't know if you know I'm recording this piece. I ain't got you. I'm just trying to get the battery.
It's all good.
I'm a YouTuber.
That's what's up. Well, how YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Nothing, but we trying to get up.
I need to go grab my phone so I can subscribe too. It's dead.
Nuh-uh. Or just like a little bit or a lot?
I don't have no cranking apps. No whatsoever. And it only got 3.7 volts when it should be up at like 10
What?
to 11.
Alright, y'all. Battery dead. Oh, you trying to sell a new one?
If you don't have a warranty, I have one for you.
How much is it? $159?
I think so.
I like this one, $114 down there.
That's the wrong size.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, you're right.
That's
This Harley Davidson?
Yeah. Okay.
all right.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate
We
you.
appreciate you. All right, y'all. Mission failed right now, but we still working. We appreciate you.
Anytime.
All right. So tomorrow, y'all, Gateway closed, right? The Harley Davidson shop is closed right now because it's like 6:30. It's like 7 o'clock actually. They close at 6. So tomorrow, I'm gonna have to run up there and see if they can honor my warranty and get a new battery. So stay tuned. Boom. You gonna subscribe to the channel?
I could.
Hey, we got a new subscriber, y'all. Welcome to the QueenSit family.
Just hit you on.
Yeah, that's my Instagram, and then you can just follow the link. Right, I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Right. Boom, y'all. If you ain't got Apple CarPlay, what is this Apple CarPlay?
It is Apple CarPlay. Yeah. The system is SoundStream Reserve, the HDHU 14 Plus.
Yeah.
I recommend it.
How you do it? Did you do it yourself? You took it to a dealership?
Yeah, I installed this. Installed the speakers, cicadas. Installed these lowers here. Installed these here. And yeah, we tricked out a little bit.
Yeah, so you do it all yourself?
Most of it is done by myself. I got some help from DVD.
We up here at Harley Davidson. Good morning. I haven't said hi to y'all. I don't know. I can't remember. So I just got off work. Oh, pizza box. Don't judge me. Got the battery right here. PE teacher clothes type thing.
Ma'am, you want me to carry that for you?
Yeah, you're so nice. Thank you so much.
Of course. You coming in to get a new one?
Yeah. Docs, are y'all here now?
So we actually merged stores. So Gateway and Docks merged together, and now we're St. Louis Harley Davidson instead of Docks or Gateway.
What? How are you?
How you doing? How you doing?
Good to see you. What's your name?
Darian.
Darian. We vlogging. You want to say what's up?
Just started following you too.
Hold on.
Just started following.
I'm here with Darian. He said he just found the channel. Yeah. And you here for the motorcycles, right?
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah.
What you ride?
I got a street glide.
Street glide gang, road glide gang.
Yeah.
All right, hit me up. We might have to ride for real. Alright y'all, so y'all know I just met D. He checked out the channel and I did my research. He real like QueenSit fam, so we family now. Yeah. So I was like, what you get? What you tell the people what's going on?
I just got that tabs exhaust.
Oh,
yeah,
you
with the zombie baffles. Yep, on the 2024 street glad.
Yeah. What color you got? Like what color the pipes?
Black on black.
Period.
Yeah, black on black.
What made you choose tabs?
They sound good.
Sound good. I already know.
Yeah, I say. What you got on yours?
Reinhardt.
Reinhardt, that's what I was gonna go with, but if it's too loud, but some people said it's too loud, but if it's too loud,
it can never be too loud. Though.
My neighbors, man.
Oh yeah, you finna come in at like 2 a.m.
I know.
Okay,
I know. Yeah.
Well, okay, so listen, we family now.
We good.
So when you put them on, you gotta hit me up.
I'm gonna hit you up in your.
We gotta come do a video so the people wanna hear it.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, y'all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, y'all. So we might link up. Cause when he put these on, we finna see what the bike look like and what it sound like. And you trying to do a ride?
Yeah, we can ride.
All right, let's go, y'all. Stay tuned. I gotta wait for my phone number to be called. I'm tripping. I gotta wait for a phone call, and then, bro, it's hot. I'm tripping. I got two options in 2 hours, basically. T-Mac said he gonna be coming over today to put the battery in. So since we already got it planned, he free, he available to come do it, because we got rain coming this weekend, so I cannot be, I gotta get the bike together before more rain comes. We got a lot of thunderstorms and stuff coming this weekend, so today needs to be the day that this bike gets started. All right, so I just ran inside real quick. I had to use the bathroom, but I ran into 2 more people who say they watch the channel. And one guy is like hardcore watch the channel. He was like, I saw the video when you were in East St. Louis talking about van life. Like, can we have a moment, y'all? Like, we best friends on FaceTime. Can we talk real quick? I just want to say, like, the love that be shown to me is like not taken for granted. Like, y'all, that stuff really does something to me. Like, the love from people, like just taking a second to watch my videos or taking a second to even just say hi. I really appreciate it so much. And all of the comments too, like on that East St. Louis video, on the video where I was telling y'all I'm starting a new page, bro, like the love is crazy. All of the positive comments, even the people who say they don't want to see van life, I still appreciate you for even commenting and caring enough to say, like, I'm here for motorcycles. And I love it. Like, and it's just like, for people to care, period, is awesome. So I do want to say I have started the new channel. It is QueenSit Van Life. Super cliche, right? The name was supposed to be QueenSit Unplugged, but a lot of people voted for QueenSit Unplugged on my Facebook page, and I love QueenSit Unplugged, but it's like with a new channel starting fresh, QueenSit van life will be easier to search. So I'm gonna start with QueenSit van life, cliche, but probably after some time get a following on there. We're gonna change it to QueenSit Unplugged because I really like that name. It resonates with me because I feel like I unplugged from society and did my van life thing type thing. Anyway, y'all, I get emotional about stuff like that. I'm super sensitive, if you didn't know. But I will say, I could cry right now, like, cause I'm just so happy. Like, I'm just so excited and so happy. Like, I'm in a van life space. I love my van. I love van life. And then I also love motorcycles. So even just thinking outside the box and like, hey, start 2 pages, that just opened up my brain. And I'm like, cool. So I can vlog any and everything now. Like, before it was like, I wanted to share so much of my family and stuff, but it was like, it didn't fit the QueenSit page. Like, or people didn't really take to it. People want to see motorcycles on that page, and I understand it. But it was like, I want to vlog my entire life. I want to share everywhere I go, every day. If I go to the mall, if I go here, and it is no motorcycle involved, I want to feel comfortable to post it. And I think this QueenSit van life page will let me do that. When the last time y'all cried? In the comments, let me know. When was the last time you cried? That's random, right? But we a family now. We've been a family, but we really, really close now. And crying is good for you. When you cry, you get all your emotions out. It just helps you. So crying is a good thing. We back. I took my little break, and I'm feeling good. We got the good camera out. We put the GoPro up. We vlogging. All right, we're going back to the roots, baby. Let's go. All right, I gotta go edit. For real. Y'all probably like, get the bikes out. But first, we edit.